Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Basis channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add emoji on Slack message and make your conversation more expressive and fun. First, let's start with the basic. To add emoji using Slack built-in emoji picker, simply click on the emoji icon located at the bottom left corner of your message box. Here you will find a wide range of emoji to choose from. Scroll through the categories or use the search bar to find the perfect emoji for your message. Once you have found it, click on the emoji to add it to your message. Or you can select the Add Emoji button. But what if you want to use custom emoji? No problem. If your workspace has custom emoji enabled, you can easily add them to your message by typing a colon following by the emoji's name. Okay. And there you find an upload an image option. So select an upload an image option and pick the emoji you have already downloaded. And you can also give it a name for a shortcut. And now click the save button. And there you have it. Emoji has been added. You can go back and see it if it is working or not. Go to the custom and there you have it. And click the emoji that you have been added. With these simple tips, you can add emoji to your Slack message like a pro. So go ahead, express yourself and have fun with the emoji on the Slack. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.